Hello friends, welcome back to 6 Minute 100 Days 100 Sketches Challenge
with Parikshit and Kids Fun Land Club. So what did we do in the last drawing? In episode 4? It was letter C. We drew a cup and a cat and a cupboard.
Yeah.
Yes? Did you draw that? Did you do that drawing? Ask them.
Have you done it? If you have not, watch this video. After this video, then you can go to that video and watch that.
And then share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us. Hashtag 6 minutes 100 days challenge. And share on our private Facebook group that you can join in by clicking on the link given below in the description.
Yes.
So today we are gonna draw this episode 6. Sorry, the episode 5.
Yeah.
That would be of letter episode 5. This would be letter.
I'm switching.
No, beta, that don't do that. That would be letter.
Where's the eraser?
Letter D. So we would be drawing a
Dart.
What would we be drawing?
Dart?
Do we draw a dog?
Nah.
A duck?
Nah.
A door?
Yeah.
Yes. A dart?
Okay.
You play with dart, right? You love playing with darts? But are you able to hit the target?
I've never hit a bullseye.
You've never hit the bullseye?
No.
Okay, let's hit the bullseye today. Our dart is gonna hit the bullseye. Let's get started. We make the bullseye first.
Not the bullseye.
Yeah, we make the bullseye first.
First, we make the dart.
We make the bullseye.
We make the Papa.
Let's start.
First,
We made the bullseye, and now we make the dart. Okay. This is the dart. No.
that does not look like a dart.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't. Mine doesn't. But now it will if we draw
Okay. Now we make the
wing.
wings of the dart.
So that makes it fly. Right?
Yes.
That's how the pattern looks.
Okay.
Is it good?
Very good. Better than mine.
No.
Now let's do the dart.
Oh yeah. Now we really need to make all of those. Huh?
You mean the circles?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to. Only then it would look like a dartboard.
Guys, have you ever hit the bullseye or the second bullseye? Have you?
No, I haven't. This looks like a dart.
We can make one more thing.
So what else comes to your mind when we talk
A
of
door?
letter D?
A door?
A door. How do we make a door? A rectangle. And something like this. and then we make the door. The door that's open a little.
You're forgetting something, Papa.
What am I forgetting?
The shadow.
Shadow of
The dart.
Oh, I forgot to draw this shadow of the dart. Let's give it a 3D look.
I didn't make it a 3D look. Will you?
Yeah.
Is
Yeah,
it?
that's what a 3D look. The shadow is falling on the dart.
Yeah,
That's what gives it a 3D look. So we drew the dart and we drew the door. Do you want to draw anything else? Or it's done?
I think it's done.
So do not forget to share whatever you drew. It does not matter whether it was good or very good or it was not so good. You have to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us
@KidsFunClub
and hashtag 6 minutes 100 days challenge. See you in the next drawing. Do not forget to share your drawings and join our Facebook group, the link for which you can find it in the description. And have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.
See you.
See you.